This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, March 11th. Stock index futures are mixed this morning. This in advance of President Donald Trump meeting with top business executives later today. Recent weakness in futures has been linked to a variety of geopolitical and economic concerns. As far as reports, we had the February National Federation of Independent Business Small Business Optimism Index coming in at 100.7 when 101 was expected. So in the longer term, it looks like a more accommodative Fed later this year will rescue this market. But in the meantime, we have to get through some various issues that have dragged this market down. Currency markets, the dollar index declining to its lowest level since November 5th. In light of increasing concerns over the escalating trade war. Retail sales in the UK increasing less than expected in February. Also, we had the Japanese yen lower currently, but in the overnight trade, the yen was able to advance to the highest level since October 21st as demand for safe haven assets continued to support the Japanese yen. In the interest rate market futures, we are seeing prices mixed this morning. We have no Fed speakers this week in light of the Fed's blackout period, which started this week, this in advance of the March 19th FOMC meeting. So it does look like there has been a dramatic change in the outlook for Fed policy. It now looks like the Fed is on track to lower interest rates 3 times this year. The first rate cut is likely at the June meeting, possibly then another one at the July meeting, and then another at the September meeting. So the schedule for potential rate cuts has been pulled forward. So with this in mind, a more accommodative Fed should continue to support futures. And I think from here, we'll probably see higher prices across the board for futures at the short end of the curve, the SOFR futures, and for futures at the long end of the curve, the 30-year Treasury bond futures. So this is the place to be, the long side of the interest rate futures markets. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.